4, 3, 2, 1.
Cause you never know how your day's gonna go in Bulawayo. Saliwanani. I'm PK.
And I'm Nay.
And together we're PK and Nay. Hi guys. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. Please hit that subscribe button.
Yep.
And if you're old here, welcome back. And please hit that subscribe button.
Yep.
All right.
On today's vlog, we are still in Bulawayo and we're headed to Barrow Street swimming pool.
All right. One of these sunny, beautiful days in Bulawayo.
Here we are.
The city of kings and queens. Strolling down.
The day is doing what the day is trying to do.
Oh, the adventure's about to start. Are you ready, Miss Ella?
I'm ready.
And
I'm always ready.
oh man.
Always ready.
She's
You
back
better-
again.
You never know how your day's gonna go
You never
in Bulawayo. Okay? That's how we gonna start it. Where are you taking us today? Over there. Oh. Uh-huh. Last time she took us to the market. This time she's taking us over there.
see the over there.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we can cross the road. It's here.
This is B's kitchen. We can cross the road, ne?
Cross roads like this.
Okay.
It's allowed.
No street lights.
Time to get over here.
It's a time measuring thing.
It is.
Yes, you've got to check it.
Okay.
So we're playing Frogger.
Playing Frogger.
Leapfrog.
All right. We're going to time Mela. All right. Oh, thank you so much. Nope, she doesn't care about us. Never mind. Oh. Okay. All right, we'll wait. Thank you so much. Woo. Woo. Man, I felt the breeze, my guy. He was like, shoot, girl. He was accelerating, is what it felt like. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna come here for my Malcolm X's right here.
There you go.
Or we can just ring.
On today's vlog, we're headed to Barrow Street swimming pool, but we're hanging out with my cousin Ella, Chef Ella, that you all met before. If you have not called her for any of your meals, lunchtime, corporate stuff, give her a call.
Please do.
All right. I gained weight. Okay. The food is good.
Okay.
All right. But she's hanging out with us today. And so is her daughter. And so she'll be with us briefly here in the beginning of this video. And we're going to wander through the streets. We're actually going to stop and get some ice cream at Creamy Inn. And then after that, we're headed to the pool.
Hell yeah. Walking down the streets of Bulawayo, eating an ice cream. Oh, is it?
The same, doesn't it?
A little bit. About to. At Barrow Street, the buses would park over here and drop us off. Right there, we have the file. 2x2 makiwa. Hold hands. And we line up and we all go. And then we make a straight line over there. With our towels are wrapped around our, you know, like ready. Just yep, Tuesdays. So we found ourselves at Biro Street Pool. And I haven't been to Biro Street in like years.
Right.
Okay, so this place was like a significant place for us because this is where we learned how to swim as kids.
Right.
Like our elementary school used to bring us here, I think like every Tuesday,
Yep.
something like that. And then, you know, we would just come here and this is where we learned how to swim.
Wow, this looks so much smaller. The building, just the building. Now that we're walking up to it. This pool is pretty significant for me because I remember this is where I learned to float. This is where I learned how to jump off of the high diving board. Do you remember that?
Oh yeah. That was like the best, most scariest part of the pool.
Yeah, that high diving board
Yeah, it was
was
really-
significant.
yeah.
But it's not there anymore.
No, it was so sad.
They got rid of the high diving board and now there's like an additional
They
pool.
add like another pool.
But it's pretty cool because that additional pool is used for the pro athletes,
Yeah.
for, you know, who represent Zimbabwe and they're in the pro programs were all over the world or in Zimbabwe. So it's cool to see the pool has grown. Just that the memory of the diving board.
Yeah.
You know, the nostalgia of that was missing. But the rest of it was pretty cool.
I also remember like as a kid, when I was still learning how to swim, like I remember swimming, I thought I was doing it. And I was just like, pa, 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 pa. Like, listen, I got to get to the edge of the pool. Pa, 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 pa. And then I felt somebody like touching my back and like scooting me forward. And then I got up and I was like, and I looked like I had not moved, not in one thing. This white guy was like, here, sis, let me just help you move forward, please. I was just like,
You had done it.
splashing.
You had
Listen,
done it.
I was like, I'm about to get it. No, he was like, here, let me help you.
This
Got the work to do.
This pool was pretty cool. I got stung by a bee for the first time at this pool.
Oh
So
my
it was
gosh.
really cool for us to be there. Such a nostalgic moment. And we hope that you all appreciate just seeing the pool today, updated 2024 version of our street swimming pool.
Okay. That's cool. Love it. Because like that's where I wanted to be.
Because they know all the adults will be in there.
That's
You know,
literally
that.
when I was.
Remember those changing rooms? That's
Oh
first
shit.
time I ever got stung by a bee. Crazy. Once we were done walking around Bar Street swimming pool, we're very grateful that they allowed us to come in and gather the footages. We walked around the corner and there's a little path. Those of you that know, there's a path heading from Bar Street and we're headed to Centenary Park.
All right, so stay tuned, guys. All right, so that wraps up today's episode. I'm PK.
And I'm Nay.
And together we're PK and Nay. Siyabonga.
Coming up on the next episode,